My sister has been saving her brown paper bags for me, which is awesome. So I'm going to show you how to really easily get some brown paper to put in your printer. Take a regular grocery bag and just where it folds, cut it off. So now you've got two flat pieces of paper. If you have a paper cutter, just slide it up there, get a nice straight edge, and cut off a little bit. Then you're going to measure 8.5 by 11, and you're done. Now you have two sheets of paper that you can put in your printer. But what if you don't have a paper cutter? Okay, here's another brown bag. Again, we're going to just use scissors to cut off the bottom at the fold. If you are enthusiastic about reusing paper, you can also draw on some of the other flat areas if you want to. So now I've got these two pieces of brown paper. Well, how do I get them the right size to go through my printer? Well, I just grab a piece of scratch paper and line it up with one edge. And then I'm just going to cut around my scratch paper. This is regular 8.5 by 11 printer paper. Now the edges are not going to be perfect, but your printer doesn't really mind. It'll still go through there, and since we're going to be using it for drawing or cutting paper dolls or doing some other craft, probably having the edges perfectly square really isn't going to matter that much. So then I've just got one more edge to cut here. Because these are folds, you have to cut around every edge. And there, that didn't take very long, and now I have two nice pieces of paper. So now I've got my nice sheet of paper I'm just going to put into my printer. And I put the file for one of my paper dolls in there and hit print. So very shortly I'm going to have myself a nice cut and color paper doll. So ta-da, there it is. Now I can color it and cut it out.